Hi, this is Ryan Single from Contextually. Here's a quick video on how to embed Instagram photos into your blog, but do so that it's actually responsive and looks good no matter what size screen your reader is coming from. So Instagram just announced that you can now easily embed an Instagram photo into a blog post. And the way you do that is on an Instagram page. You look at an individual photo and you just click this little button here, and up it'll pop this little embed code. So that's pretty easy. Just grab it and copy and paste it, and you stick it into your blog. But the problem is that's not really the best way to do it. So instead, you really want a page. Here's a little test from this site called Embed Responsively, who's actually created by this guy, Jeff Hobbs. And what's nice about this is, watch what happens here. You start to drag the screen, and it shrinks, and you keep that square aspect, and you see all the comments and stuff. It looks very nice. So that's not quite what happens with an Instagram embed. So I'll show you. Here's a draft post that has two embeds. The top one here is from Instagram's version, and then we have the one down at the bottom is Jeff's version. So let's take a quick look. Let's go, and we drag the screen. We start to get a nice little, everything looks fairly good. It looks pretty great. So I'm gonna go a little narrower than that. You also notice that our little, we provide these related links at the bottom. We're responsive down there as well. So you see you get this nice little, this looks fairly good, but when you roll your way up here to the Instagram version, there's this huge chunk of white space. And that's what happens when you use the Instagram version. You get a monster amount of white space underneath, not exactly what you're looking for. So see how it keeps going? You get this big, so it's going to look very strange on a smartphone, whereas you actually have some very nice tight text when you use Jeff's Embed Responsibly page. So let's pull this wide. The only thing that's not great about Embed Responsibly is when you're actually pretty wide, you have a decent amount of white space here. If we look in the body of the post, so let's spread this back out wide. So this is the embed code here from the Embed Responsibly site, and then right underneath it we have that random text. So you still get that white page. But the easiest way to do that is to get this version from him is you just go to embedresponsibly.com and you stick in the Instagram URL. So here's the URL of the page, not the embed code, just the page itself. And you click the embed, and down at the bottom you'll get this nice little embed code. Though oddly, seems like his page isn't working very well responsively. So yeah, you just grab that little code right there, and you have to remember to stick this into the text version of WordPress or Drupal, not into the visual editor. Otherwise it's going to come out as garbly-gook. We'll put this back in, and that's all you have to do. Pretty simple. If you have any questions about how to get responsive related links and content suggestions for your readers, write us at info@contextually.com. Thanks so much.